Lice Lady here. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. So today we're going to talk about combing thick hair. There's lots of different things that we need to do when we talk about combing through and treating thick hair. First of all, when we use our Terminator combs, the combs are super close together. The prongs are individually coiled. So it's not the typical combs that you're gonna have with a rid and a nix kit where it's like combing through your hair with a pick. No matter what type of a comb you have, whether it's a knit comb like this or one that's even a little bit farther spaced apart, which doesn't do any good, you need to be careful how you comb out because the head might be sensitive. So there's a couple tips and tricks that we're gonna do. First of all, we do need to be able to make sure that we're going to get sections in the hair. We like to use our wet brush comb. Not only is the wet brush comb good for brushing through the hair, brushing through tangles, it's also good for sectioning the hair as well. Take those hair clips, section off the hair. And then we twist the hair into sections. The sections don't have to be perfect, it just needs to be twisted so that we can get into the hair better. When you're dealing with thick hair, you need to make sure that you don't have big groupings of hair. So I'm going to actually take about half of this hair. Now her hair is thick, but the individual strands are also thick. We have our comb out mousse here. This helps to smooth the hair strands down to make sure that it's not a difficult comb out for the client. It smooths the hair, makes the hair easier to comb through. We're gonna take our Terminator comb and then we're gonna go from the root all the way down to the tips of the hair, combing all 4 directions. So the thing that sets our mousse apart from other mousses, this mousse isn't sticky. This mousse is specifically designed to comb out mousse. There's also an enzyme in there that will help break apart the eggs. There is nothing on the market that's gonna make the eggs dissolve completely and take them off of the shafts though. Eggs have to be manually removed, done by hand, done by a comb, cut out. There are some other products that are gonna make comb outs easier. Those products, we use a Glop and Glam conditioner. Sometimes when the hair is super thick, we just put a little bit of this conditioner on the hair so that that comb also glides through easy. This makes it so that it causes a little bit of friction between that comb and between that hair. Make sure that you don't use too much or else those eggs are gonna slide right between that comb and that hair. If the hair is a little bit tangly as well, then we're gonna make sure that we use some of our detangler, which is our Glop and Glam detangler. That's more for tangly hair, but sometimes when you have really long, thick hair, you're gonna have tangly hair as well. Those are some of the products that we use to help make our comb outs a lot easier. You can find all of these products in the description below. See how easy the comb is sliding through the hair? That's because of the comb out mousse. So if you're finding it difficult, just add a little bit more of that comb out mousse or a little bit more of that conditioner to help it make it easier process for you. So make sure that you work your way over the sections and repeat over the next 11 to 14 days using conjunction with our Lice Clinics of America oil, and that way you can absolutely have success doing your treatments. Have a happy and lice-free day.